Spencer, do you need help with this problem? I can help you. Okay, so what I have over here is an equation 5c minus 12 and 3c plus 7. How I got that equation, you might ask, is because since I realized over here that these lines are parallel marked here and that these are corresponding angles, I know that they will be congruent, which they are. And I worked down the equation, which gets c equals 9.5. So what you'll do is you put 9.5 here, showing that it resembles c, and then you're going to plug 9.5 back into the two original equations, which will both give you 35.5 degrees because they're both congruent. So just to help you out, you can just mark that down over here. And now let's move on to x. Now that we know that that's 35.5, x is the supplement angle to that. So what we need to do is we need to subtract 180 minus 35.5, which will give you 144.5. And what you'll do now is, since you figured out 144.5 degrees for x, you will now put that down over here. So now you have two of your variables out of the way. Okay, and then we're going to mark it over here. Alright, so now you have one side of the board complete, and now we can work over here because x minus 18 degrees is the next equation. So I'll do it over here, 144.5 minus 18. That will give us 126.5 degrees. So now we can mark it over here, that this is 126.5 degrees. And now once we have that, we are now left with 7k minus 6. But we can tell that because we have three out of the four angles complete, and those need to add up to 360. So when we add these all together, 144.5, 35.5, 126.5, we will get 306.5. Oops. And now since we have that, we're going to subtract that by 360, which will give us 53.5. And now since we have 53.5, this is now what we know what we need to get, but we need to plug that into the equation. So what we'll do is we'll do 7k minus 6 equals 53.5. You will add 6 to this, which will give you 7k equals 59.5. You will divide this both by 7, so that k will give you 8.5. Once you have 8.5, you can mark it down here. And then now that you know that you have that, you have all three of your c, k, and x. But what you need to do and remember is that you need to look and start for what is marked to show how you can get your first variable. For example, I saw that I had the two parallel line symbols. So then I saw the corresponding angles would be congruent, so I worked through there. And once you get one of them, you can work you can work your whole way down to get all the way over to there. And that's how you complete the problem, Spencer.
Thank you.